Meta kellu 19-il sena, Nuri Funas telaq mingħajr twelidu l-Libja biex beda jdur id-dinja. Lan tiegħu kien wieħed li xeret il-paċi u l-imħabba. Sissa żar 160 pajjiż u żar diversi rħula u komunitajiet remoti.
Peace message of peace around the world. This is what we miss from each other. Was big misunderstanding between East and West, between North and South, and just misunderstanding. And the other things, when we're meeting, we have international meeting each other, we can understand more. And that make a big space of peace.
Materjam News Nuri Funas li llum għandu 45 sena stqar li mhux darba u tnejn li ġie wiċċ mal-periklu.
Africa was the most dangerous things by mosquitoes. Not by lion, but mosquito, because they have 2 times attacked by malaria. Yeah, and for the Southeast Asia was too much earthquake, volcanoes by nature. And from Amazon was dangerous for animals, snakes. Africa, I have money, but you don't have a supermarket, no shops, it's jungle. So you have to survive, to eat and to camp.
Fil-vjaġġi tiegħu Nuri Funas iltaqa' ma' Malti, Leon Parnis. Iltaqa' miegħu l-ewwel darba fl-2017 u minn dakinhar mingħajr ma jiftehmu id-destin kompla jlaqqahom fil-pajjiżi l-oħra. Fis-sajf Nuri Funas żar Malta.
Dejjem kombinazzjoni, tajt miegħu l-Indonezja, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Maldives u issa tqajna Malta. Naf li ġej Malta, kellimni, ovvjament intqajt miegħu dawartu xi ftit postijiet Malta, mullum ħajoqgħod għandi bħala guest, ġifieri bħala le.
Bħalissa Nuri Funas jinsab l-Albanija u l-ħsieb tiegħu li jkompli jwassal il-messaġġ ta' paċi madwar id-dinja.